What's up, it's your girl Jayla, aka Amaria J, and for today's video we are going to be doing a little Charlotte vlog, honey. Yes, and I am so excited. Y'all like how I did my little montage at the beginning? I'm trying to do something real fancy with that when I started today. But yes, guys, I'm gonna be doing a Charlotte vlog. We are in a hotel right now, but we're not in Charlotte. We're gonna be leaving for Charlotte pretty soon. And yeah, before we really get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media and all that other good stuff. You already know the drill. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next clip. I don't know what the next move is. Hopefully this vlog is exciting. I know we're going to Ikea. I really want to go to this mall in Charlotte called South Park Mall, but I don't know yet. But yes, this is what I'm looking like today. Let me zoom in a little bit. My hair is kind of messy, but I kind of like my hair looking like this now with a little accessory. But I have on this Nike quarter zip pullover, and then I have on these Kalia, hold on, let me zoom out. These Kalia yoga pants. They're boot cut and flare, and they're super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at my next move, which I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna see y'all there. Okay, bye. All right, so just a little check-in. It is currently 9:06. We're gonna leave in a few minutes. I'm just waiting for my parents to get back here. I'm hungry. I am so hungry, but I'm just gonna wait until my parents get here, and then we can be on our way to Charlotte. We just got here, so we left around, we were supposed to leave at like 9:30. We didn't leave until 12:15. So I came to Target to get some stuff, so let's see, is this, I'm gonna find something. Well, everything definitely. Good morning, everybody. All right, so it is Wednesday, January 20th, day 2, and today I don't know what we're gonna do. I do have to go to school today. Like I didn't go yesterday, but this teacher is making us be on camera today, so I'm definitely about to get ready. So I'm not gonna show y'all my skincare routine again or whatever, because I showed y'all that yesterday. It's in the clip, an earlier clip, but I did want to try out these new products my grandma bought me. This is the number 7 Restore and Renew collection little set thing. So I'm gonna see how this works and what's in it. So I thought, why not show y'all on camera? Okay, so let's open it. This is what it comes in when you first open it. And it says, just for you. And then it has like little mini stuff wrapped up. And then here's a face mask, which I might do tonight. It is face and neck multi-action serum boost sheet mask. So that's what that looks like. I'm gonna use the day cream, the serum, and the eye cream. I mean, I'm not really good on like skincare anyway. Like I'm not Hiram. I don't do all that extra stuff. But I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. I mean, I'm obviously not gonna be able to see a difference today because it's my first day using it. But I don't know, this is probably stupid. Y'all, if you're watching this and you're like a skincare person, stop watching this because I don't know what I'm doing with this for real. Sorry. I'm just gonna rub up my face. Shoot. That's all I know is it go on my face. Ooh. Oh Lord, that forehead, girl, that forehead. Y'all, my forehead is huge. And then this is the day cream for your face. Oh my God, for your face and your neck. I'm about to say this might not be black girl friendly because that looked like it had turned a little purple. But nah, it's good. We good in the hood. So I'm done with my makeup. I was just watching the inauguration, so yeah, but it's like 12 now. I have a class at 2. It's just a Nike sweatshirt and some black leggings. Nothing too fancy, nothing special at all. But this is what we're working with for today. I'm gonna let y'all know what we're gonna do today. I'm sure it's not much, but yeah. I've been in the house all day. My mama said we're probably gonna go to Ikea, which I hope we do because I've been waiting to get to Ikea because I haven't been in that store in years. Plus, they have a table that I want to get for my room. Also, I've been using Final Cut Pro for this one, and I don't know. I kind of like it. Like I kind of want to buy the whole thing and just have it be done with. But I'm also on that 90-day free trial, so I'm about to completely use and abuse this 90-day free trial, and then maybe at the end of 90 days I can go ahead and buy it. Is North Charlotte safe? A new study shows Charlotte is one of the least safe cities in the state. Girl, have you ever been to Durham before? Child, please. We don't ride past South Point, and I'm gonna show y'all the table that I want. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. This table right here is $20, y'all. Like, you can't beat it. But let me show y'all the pictures of it. I think it is so cute, and the tray comes up off of it. But what I'm thinking is to put this in a corner of my room. When I get, yeah, put this in the corner of my room, and then like in the corner have a picture right here, and then I have like a plant and some fake succulents and a candle over here in the middle. That'll be real cute. But I really dig how they did this move right here with all this stuff on it, with like that right there. I think that's kind of cute, but I like my idea a little bit better. So hopefully we get to go to, where's my phone? Go there today or tomorrow, because I really want that table. Or I just order online, girl. It ain't no big deal. So I found these, and these are like the energy that I'm going for in my room, and it hangs. That is so cute. I don't know if I would like, because I would put it on the side of the table so it could hang down with like the rest of the plants. That is so stinking cute. When I move into my own house, if it doesn't look like this, I don't want it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. Stop playing with them. Stop playing. This is fire. Ooh. Stop playing with Ikea. Okay, hopefully you can see me. But it took us so long to get just to this spot right here. So I'm gonna pick up the table. If you're interested in what it's called the Gladum. And it's only 20 bucks. Yeah. And it comes in this box. So I'm about to head to check out because they close really soon and I feel really bad for being in here this late, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get checked out. See ya. Can't show that too long for free. But here are my nails. Hold on, let me zoom out. They're a little bit short, but they're cute. I don't have no more plans for tonight, so I guess this vlog is over. Thank you guys for having so much fun with me and watching me while I was in Charlotte. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. Comment some videos that you guys want to see me do. I have lots of video ideas coming up. Boo, boo, boo. And I'm ready to give them to you. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.